In this e-learning, I'm going to show you how to create your first query for the procedure manager. From the main screen, we are going to access under procedures and we go to the procedure manager. As soon as the procedure manager opens, by default, it comes with empty combination of records in my grid view. And here on this icon, I'm going to open the query management for procedures. As you can see, my queries is now empty. I just come with the featured queries, which are default that come with the program. I'm going to minimize this box here, and I'm going to work with my first query. I'm going to add one query here that I'm going to call it date range. I'm going to put that query into my favorites, which means when I add a query to the favorites, my favorite queries show into this little drop-down list box on the side. Click OK. I'm going again to highlight the date range, and I'm going to now start defining what I'm looking for. I'm going to use here, and I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to start typing date, and I'm going to grab the date. And I'm looking for things that are greater or equals date from my calendar. I'm going to go a few months behind here since August 1st. I'm going to add another end statement to my query where clause. The first time I typed in the date, and as you can see, it is also possible for me to see all the variables I can use in my queries. For this case, I'm going to use again the date variable, and I'm going to say I want to see only queries ending. In this case, I'm going to say less than September 1st. So my query here says, I want all the procedures in the date range that it's August 1st or after, and before, not including, because I don't have the equal sign here, less than September 1st. Important is to save, and after saving, I can search. Because I put that into my favorites, you're going to see that my date range is now here, and you can consume that date range from the drop-down list box. The list is now showing all the procedures I had in August. So today you've learned how to create your first query using a date range format in the procedure manager for WISE option. Thanks for watching.